فلو فسخ قبل تمام الأعمال أو بعد كشف ذلك عن عدم تحقق الاستطاعة من الأول، والظاهر أنه لا يجب الخروج إلى الحج في هذا النحو من الملكية المتزلزلة إلا مع الوثوق بعدم طرو الفسخ، ولا يكفي مجرد احتمال عدمه. No, he says that in these cases where you are afraid that you have to give the money back and you have to take the item you sold or the gift or any kind of this kind of shaking or swinging ownership, okay? You own the money with the swinging ownership. So if you are not sure, okay, if you don't have that satisfaction and the certainty that sale is going to not be nullified or revoked, or the contract is not going to be revoked, or the gift is not going to be taken back, all these kind of, if you have, then it becomes wajib. Otherwise, if there is a probability, no, I think he will not. Or you think, or you're sure? No, I think he will not break the sale. I think he will not revoke the contract of gift. I think he will. No, don't tell me you think. Is he going to or not, based on the contract, based on the commitment, based on the communication? So if you are sure, then you have to go for Hajj. But if you are not sure, then you can't go for Hajj. Why? He says there are two types of things that might happen. فَلَوْ فَسَخَ قَبْلَ تَمَامِ الْأَعْمَالِ أَوْ بَعْدِهِ. So if he revokes, or if the sale was nullified, or if the contract was revoked, whatever made that swinging ownership come to you of something, then it will indicate that you were not able to go for Hajj from the beginning. It is not that, oh, you have already started for Hajj, oh, you have done, you were not able to. What does that mean? That means Hajj was not wajib upon you from the beginning. But what will happen? I've already started my a'mal of Hajj, and that guy calls me and says, I don't want this item, take it back. Or بعد كشف ذلك أو بعده. After you completed your a'mal, you finished your tawaf an-nisa of the last, and that guy calls, I just bring me my money back. I don't want your watch, or I don't want your gold, or something like that. Now what will you do? This will show that Hajj was not wajib upon you from the beginning, because it was a swinging ownership and you were not sure he might continue the sale or continue the contract or whatever through the item came into your possession, or the money came into your possession. But if you know before you travel for Hajj, والظاهر أنه لا يجب الخروج إلى الحج في هذا النحو من الملكية المتزلزلة. So in this case, where you know, or you have a probability that he might break the contract, okay, that means still the property is swinging, possession is swinging, ownership is swinging, okay, it's not has been fixed, yours or his. If you don't have assurances that the contract will not be nullified or broken, you don't have to go for Hajj. إلا مع الوثوق بعدم طرو الفصل, unless if you are sure and you have some kind of certainty that the nullification will not happen to the contract, whatever contract happened. ولا يكفي مجرد احتمال. And just having a probability that he might not nullify it, that is not sufficient.